Here's a beautiful sunrise sky this morning captured by Warren Fault in Augusta County, the Jolly View area. Still talking about Saturday's sunset sky, but these are altocumulus clouds, and with the sun rising, made for some beautiful color. And how about this nice shot? How cool is this? These are four-week-old Cooper hawks, and Jim Carpenter captured the photo here. This is near the Miller School out in Albemarle County. Cooper hawks at play. Let's talk about the numbers. Well, this is day 6 of the ongoing heat wave. The airport today touched 95. If you remember, last Monday and Tuesday, we had below average temperatures. It felt great, low humidity and the like. Well, nothing like that today, and we still have several more days of heat before this current heat wave is done, but we've got a lot of summer left. So 95 was the high today, currently 91. Dew points are in the upper 60s. That's certainly high. They'll get even higher tomorrow, oppressively so in the 70s. 91, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 93 for the afternoon high. It's still 95 in Culpeper. We've got 87 in Palmyra, where some locations in and around the county of Fluvanna have seen some showers. 91 there in Dillwyn. 91 currently in Waynesboro, and 89 in Harrisonburg. So here we are at the first alert weather day for Tuesday. Because of the heat advisory, we're talking about temperatures well in the 90s with those heat indices or real field temperatures for many of us between 103 and 108. Take all those steps and precautions to stay cool. Not much in terms of any relief from the heat from rain, although we did have a little shower, a bigger shower earlier that was developing south of Palmyra, kind of faded away. But as we take a look at a larger perspective of the Doppler radar, you can see more clusters of showers and thunderstorms, some of which caused some flash flooding earlier in the Richmond metro area. As we take a look at temperatures here tonight, they'll settle back in the low and mid 70s under partly cloudy skies, certainly muggy. And then many of us tomorrow, mid to upper 90s east of the mountains, lower 90s to the west. Mentioned the heat advisories. Again, it will feel more like 103 to 108. So first alert weather day for Tuesday. We still hold on to the 90s Wednesday and Thursday. The storm chance is still fairly small here for both days. Looks like the end of the week shows some promise, a little bit more widespread rain and a chance to break the current heat wave. So not much here across the mid-Atlantic this afternoon. Of course, earlier this morning, tropical storm was a hurricane, now tropical storm, made landfall just to the south and east of Houston. And now we'll zoom in on that area. It's still a tropical storm, and on the eastern flank of the storm, you can certainly see the severe weather element, a tornado watch box, good portion of East Texas, western Louisiana, up into Little Rock, Arkansas in the vicinity. This will continue to lift up through the Mississippi River Valley and the Ohio Valley, and not directly, but some indirect effects will be felt by the end of the week with some southeasterly winds bringing us a better chance of rain along with a front in the vicinity. So here we are in the morning. We'll start in the 70s. It's a hot and humid day. Many of us in the mid to upper 90s. We mentioned the heat advisory at play. Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds, maybe an isolated storm or two, but that heat wave rolls on until we get to Friday. 70s here tonight, partly cloudy and muggy. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. The greatest chance of rain is on Friday, and temperatures come down in the 80s before we heat back up again this weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Well,